Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Best Wear Collection. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your home. So as you can see that today I'm here to discuss a very beautiful collection of your very beautiful tops and your beautiful blouse tops as well. So please subscribe to my channel. Keep liking and sharing all videos, guys. In my previous videos I've much told you about all types of blouses and what exactly a blouse is and how could you wear and how could you purchase. So in my previous videos I've told you before, so again telling you that what is exactly a blouse. We all know that a blouse is a loose fitting upper garment that was formerly worn by a workman, artists, women as well, and also children, but it's a video for women, so it is typically gathered at the hips and your waist as well by tight and pleats and belt as well, so that it hangs loose sleeve blouses over their waist, bodies as well. And a top is an item of clothing that covers at least the chest, but which usually covers most of the upper human body part. Okay, so the neck and the waistline as well, between the neck and the waistline. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Yeah guys, as I've told you that what is a blouse or a top, now I'm telling you that what is a blouse top. Okay, I've told you that what is exactly a blouse, and a blouse is different from your tops as well. So a top is referred to any t-shirt type or any type of your t-shirts and your shirts as well. Okay, so a blouse on the other hand is made from delicate fabric like silk and satin. So in my video you can see such type of blouses are here for you. These are made with pure silk and your beaded shirts as well. So you can see such pom-poms are here for you. So please subscribe to my channel. In this blouse you can see such pom-poms are gathering and are lettering down below. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing all videos, and thank you so much for your help and for your support as well. I hope that you are interested in my videos as well. So if you are interested in my videos and if you want to see more about these type of fashion ideas, you can just tell me in the comment box, so inshallah next time I'll bring the exact and the latest fashion for you as well. And share this video with your friends and with your family members as well. As I told you before, to share this video as much as you can. So please subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos. And guys, my video almost has been ended. So yeah, you can see such pom-poms are here for you also. You can see such pom-poms are lettering down. So please subscribe to my channel, guys. My video almost has been ended. Okay, take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon inshallah with my new video. Take care of yourself and stay home and save lives as well. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.